Install for a new 2022 Matryx Slash. It'll be the same for the 155 or long track models, 163 or 165 Matryx sleds for the RR bumper. First step, get rid of the old bumper. We're going to take the light off, and I usually tell guys to take the stickers off too so it doesn't clash with the new bumper. So we're just going to go ahead and install T25 Torx. Takes out these two up here, the most awkward ones. Got to use a little socket or something like that, and then we can use a socket with a drill attachment or a little impact to get the rest out. Second step, running board bolts, 10 mil. Take the lights off, or the reflectors, not lights. Remove decals if you want, and we'll get into the next step after we get those off. Once the bolts are gone from the running boards and you get the decals off and the little reflector, there's 3 rivets on each side of the tunnel that need to come out so that the new brace will fit flush to the tunnel. So there's one on the back that sections the rear piece on, right here, and 2 more up front, right underneath the seat, will be your next 2 mounting points. So drill those 3 out on each side, use a punch them out, and then you're ready for the next step. Okay, drilling these out, they're pretty hard rivets, so I'm zip disking off the head here a little bit, and then just hammering them out with a punch. It's faster. Right, you got 3 rivets out on each side. You're gonna have to slide the new bumper into the opening from the top. So grab a couple hammers or pry bars or something soft so you don't scratch your paint, and tape this up just to prevent scratching. And then we're gonna drop this in from the back and kind of slide it forward. Okay, once you get the bumper in place, throw a couple rivets through where you drilled through in the front and the hole that I give you. Line this up so it's flush right back at this part. And then we're gonna mark and scribe so you can drill your holes for the back. So this is all lined up. Just got a little 90-degree pick or something sharp. I can literally mark my spot. I'll lift this up, drill it out, and then we can put the stainless bolts in the back. Okay, once you get these drilled out, install the stainless bolts and nylock nuts. Bolts go in, so you don't leave anything hanging out. Then where we drilled out these rivets, where the rear tunnel section meets, we're gonna bolt that section together too with the same hardware. So just get it flush, and then we're gonna drill from the back side out. Run a bolt in, bolt that on each side, and then we're ready to start drilling for rivets and riveting the rest on. Okay, once you get these back 2 bolts in, we're gonna move to the front. You already had this rivet pushed in there, so crush that rivet, get it on there, and then there's another one up top, the 2 that you guys originally drilled out. We're gonna drill from the back side, pop that rivet in, and we're gonna keep working our way front to back with the rivets. So we're gonna get that rivet in, go to the bottom, and mark, drill, rivet, mark, drill, rivet, work our way front to back. After that, we'll put our bolts, running board bolts in, and we're all done. So you can access these without dropping the skid. And just drill from the back side out, and then the rest we can drill from the outside.